Well done.
Save your compliments. I am only repaying you the debt I owe.
Forget it. We are all equals, fighting together for the same goal.
Equals? You mean even me?
Soon Quan must pay for the death of Guan Yu.
I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice!
I shall show no mercy. I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice!
I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice! Crush them!
I must retreat. For now.
I fight in the name of justice!
Wait, we can catch the enemy off guard.
Some catching up to me.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
I fight in the name of justice!
So you must be looking for trouble. It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
I fight in the name of justice!
They're trying to take the base. Stop them!
Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
They've withdrawn. Penetrate their camp at once.
Beat it! Get out of my way! I'm not letting anyone get near Zhu Ran!
Their strategy has failed. Tear them limb from limb.
Come and fight me if you dare! I must retreat. For now.
I fight in the name of justice! I fight in the name of justice!
Retreat ain't so bad! See ya!
I fight in the name of justice!
This should be over shortly. I have some catching up to do. Your treachery shall not be reproached.
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
I fight in the name of justice!
I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice!
I shall return that in. It looks like I was a little too passionate.
I fight in the name of justice!
Such impressive skill. We have a chance to win this. Now, attack!
Go and attack the enemy camp!
Some battles you win, and some battles you lose.
I fight in the name of justice!
Now is the time. Attack!
We'll see who takes whose head.
about equal. In the name of justice! Farewell!
I must approach this calmly. Time to retreat.
I fight in the name of justice!
In a sense, we were victorious. But due to my short temper, many had to sacrifice their lives to achieve this victory. I also allowed my enemy Sun Quan to escape. Now we had best return home and start rebuilding our strength. I too need to rethink the meaning of things such as justice and virtue.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is known in one kingdom as a brilliant youth.